morning. I thought I saw a ray of sunshine, but I may be dreaming. Anyway, let's go to work. Okay, back to this bathroom. Now just checking what I've done yesterday. And it's pretty good. It's a little bit hard, but you can feel still a bit soft. And the good thing is that you can even sand it if you want to. I'll just show you. Yeah. Sorry, my camera moved a little bit. Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay, I will do that everywhere. I don't need to show you, but everything. Alright, I'll do this and I'll get back to you. Okay, in the meantime, I'll be checking a few tiles with a cross, that way some can loose, and it's all good now. I'm not saying they may come off later, possible, but I don't see any tile lifting at this stage, so I will have to consider down. Anyway, like I said before, I know what to do if I need to. See that was lifting and it's not lifting anymore. It's not moving. Yeah, it's pretty good. Alright, it will last what it will last. So, because we're going to paint this, I'm going to try to make a better finish here and there. Just fix a little bit. I might not show you that, you're going to be bored. But I need to put a bit more skim coating. And here too, see? This is the joint there, so I need to put some skim coating here. Okay, next we're going to do the floor and the lower side of the floor. This is a black tile going there, and the floor will be black. So let's work on that. First thing, caulking all around with this seal. Let's do that. But it ran out again. I'm sick of it. I'm still gonna try to do a few things in the bathroom anyway. As long as the fan keep blowing. But it's hard because on the camera it doesn't look like it's pretty dark. Only big coins. Oh, Bella. You got a new handbag, my love. You look so sexy. Oh my God. Are you going out? Oh, you got money as well. Wow. You put in a piggy bag?
Yeah, she put inside.
So cute.
Put in piggy.
But I will find something to do. I will find a way. If it's like yesterday, not until. What time is? We've been 3-4 hours without power yesterday. It looks like the sun today. See, inside it's all dark. Terrible. That power station I got is only 600 watts. I wish I knew I would have bought more than that. I know it's very expensive. This one was 26,000 pesos just for 600 watts. So if you want something more expensive. But anyway, I found a way. I think I got some lights. It's just the fan I worry. Sticking hot there.
No.
Baby, mommy working, leave it. Okay.
Naro. Yeah. Yeah.
You can do them as well after when you get older. Yeah? Oh, you like carrying bags? You going out? Are you going shopping? Hey, gorgeous. She's still with her handbag.
Careful your feet.
Like it's a timber floor.
Oh no.
You try again until you succeed. That's what love is all about. That's what I'm doing with my bathroom. Okay, I fixed this area with the skim coating. Just a bit of a sandy after that. Anyway, so now this time I will let this dry for a while without painting, before painting. Now I hope the light can come back and do the caulking. That's the next step. I just clean the floor now, that's it. And then when we're ready, we do the caulking. Yay! Rainy with strong wind. Oh, what's this thing going? What a life. Can I have 5 minute rest? No, I cannot. You say hello? 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 I know Jam's cooking something nice again. There's still no power. What are you doing, my love? What a mess. Lunchtime, baby. It's beautiful. Delicious. I can smell squid and vegetable. Yum. And all those herbs are from the garden. Okay, this is so much better now. It's all relatively flat. Some here. Anyway, so now we're going to clean all this mess. We're not going to paint now. Maybe in a couple of days. We're going to make sure this time it's all dry before we do any painting. So let's do the floor now. I'm going to be caulking all around, but I need a good clean up first. Let's do that. Okay, all the dust gone. I broom everything now. I get a wet or moist rag to collect whatever dust left over, especially in those areas. Yep, that should do, I think. I'm ready for cooking. I'm a right-hander, so I'm gonna start from there to the door at first. Okay, I got this to go a little bit easy on my knees. Yeah. This on the shower side, so it doesn't matter if I don't do properly. That's why I start here, see how we go. Okay, I've been chatting with a friend. He said to me, do not use this because there's tile underneath. More or less, it will be caught by tiles. You don't want that, tiles will come off at this area and that will come off more after, so don't do it. So I'm taking off that seal now. Oh my god. It's okay. He said to me the best way to do is to put epoxy, something hard. Just join all that with epoxy because I've got a bit of a groove here, you know, it's not enough fill. So he said, no, I just fill up with epoxy. Once it's dry, no problem at all. You can paint over, you can put your tiles, no worries. But take that thing off, don't use it. You've got a big problem. So anyway, I'm taking all that off. That's it. So I'll waste my day. Yeah, big job to remove all this, but just about finished anyway. Just waste half a day. After it's tile, just put silicone, but for now, just put epoxy just to level because it's a bit of a groove there, you know, and it hasn't been fully filled between the hardy flakes between the floor and the wall. There's a big gap, so I just fill with epoxy, he told me, and that's it. And then just paint it and tile, and then after you put a round of silicone all around. Yeah, I made a mistake, that's okay. Wow, we can see a little bit of a sunshine, it's a miracle. I lost my day with the wrong seal. Anyway, we're learning. Because I got so much gap in between the wall and the floor. What I would have done, I would have put the floor first and then drop the wall on top, yeah? So no gap, but they didn't do that. Had a gap like this, so you have to fill it with something. But the tile's gonna be over that, no good, because that seal is not gonna come really, really hard. Anyway, fix. Next week we'll fix that. We put epoxy better. Where's the girl? Ah, she's always on top of a slide. You like that? That's nice with a little glass of beer.
It's very windy.
She's tired.
Cold. It's cool.
Jam's working too. He's got a lot of business to do, and yeah, it's good. Tomorrow shopping day. It's okay. And someday we're going to the mountain farmhouse. If the weather doesn't get worse, it's still like that, should be fine. It's mother birthday, so should have some fun, hopefully. That's quick that JM did today. Wow. She surprised me all the time with her cooking. Where do you get all those ideas and things?
It's
Secret?
it's common Filipino dish.
Well, yesterday was a beef bourguignon. It was a French thing style. You put red wine. There was carrot, potato. Yeah. Beef bourguignon, French. I used to make that in France all the time. Beautiful. And when I test it, remind me of the old days in France.
But we cook here too in Philippines. I don't know how they cook, but I saw they put green peas.
There's my girl. Beef.
Hey. Yeah. My love.
She's copying everything happening in that TV.
Thank you.
That's why she went on top of the skateboard the other day. She saw it on TV. We didn't know. We got shocked. When she did that, we got shocked. So, bloody hell, where she learned to use a skateboard?
Yeah, her first time to see that.
On TV you saw, huh? I never saw, so I thought, my God, my girl's so smart. And she's really trying to do it, and she fall. So funny. Because when she see toys, she go crazy, and that's the age where she's very playful. And anyway, have a rest tomorrow. Yeah, I know things not going fast, but it's only me, and I got many other things to do, not just working on the house. I'm sorry. Yeah, it's not really a house building channel. It's a Garcia Family. Thank you for watching this video. Until the next video, take care. God bless you all. Bye bye.